Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Today we're looking at corn futures, the December contract. We're applying the square of the range. We're taking this low and this high and projecting forward in time a square or rectangle. And the 1 by 1 is the line drawn down from high that defines the square. Where it crosses the level of the prior swing low, that completes the square in time. So what we have here is 1/4 division, it called a low, one halfway through the square called a higher low, and we believe now this 3/4 division is calling a low. As of last week, if it's off by a week, that's no big deal. It sort of looks like it should have bottomed last week, but obviously you got this sell-off this week. Notice how the 2 by 1 gave you support. So even though it sold off more than we expected, it actually found support on a green 2 by 1 line. So if this is the 1 by 1 line, this would be twice the slope, or a 2 by 1 line. So you can see also halfway through the square is 433. You dip below that. We don't like to see that. We want the 50% retracement to hold. But the fact that you're bouncing back so strongly, today corn futures got as high as 444 on the December contract, up here somewhere. And, it looks like it's starting a rally. So the question you might have is, where is corn going and when will it get there? Well, we know that 1/4 division gave us a low. We know this gave us a low. This one gave us a low. Obviously, now we're going to focus on the completion of the square in December. So, in some sense, there will be a turn in December, and you have to figure out, is it going to be a high or a low? Sometimes that can be tricky. You can think you know what's going to happen. You don't always get it right. But we do know that a turn will happen in December. That happens to be pretty much the expiration of this contract. So that's kind of interesting. I suggest that if you're really interested in corn, you subscribe to the service, you go to the website, GannAnalysis.net, you hit the shop button in the upper right corner, you try it out for 3 months and see how you go. If you're putting money on the line, it's worth the subscription. You want to know all the details. How high is it going to go? When is it going to get there? And what are my risks? Where are the support and resistance levels all the way into December? You want to know that. If you're not trading it, okay, maybe you don't care, but still, you learn something by studying corn here with the Gann chart, right? So I hope this has been helpful. If you like this sort of thing, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll get more videos like this. You're looking at the square of the range, and we're looking at the weekly time frame. And this is a very useful tool for Gann. It doesn't just apply to corn, it applies to all markets. It doesn't matter what you're looking at. If there's a data stream, you can apply Gann to that data stream. You can look at the square of the range on any market you want to do. So if that interests you, think about trying out the service for a month or 3 months and see how you go.